In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under economic development. So we're going to focus on the subtopic development planning. So we have about 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a policy used by the government to encourage production of commodities for export is. We have large-scale development strategy, small-scale development strategy, export promotion strategy, import promotion strategy. So the right answer is option C, which is export promotion strategy. Okay, the next question is this one. It says some of the major problems hindering economic development in West Africa are in the area of electricity supply, communication, education, and health. These items are known in economics as we have development facilities, monoculture, capital, investment, infrastructural facilities. So guys, the right answer is option D, which is infrastructural facilities. Okay, so the next question is this one. It says the family support program in Nigeria essentially focuses on we have agricultural and industrial development, the alleviation of poverty, economic emancipation of women, the generation of employment. The right answer is option B, which is the alleviation of poverty. Okay, the next question is this one. It says the monetization policy is an offshoot of perhaps SAP needs pay MDGS. The right answer is option B, which is needs. Next question is this one. It says local firms can help in reducing unemployment in a country when imports of substitutes are reduced, waste in the firm is eliminated, land acquisition becomes centralized, subsidies to firms are decreased. So guys, the right answer is option A, which is imports of substitutes are reduced. Okay, so this is one way local firms can help in reducing unemployment in a country. Alright, the next question is this one. It says a policy used by government to encourage production of commodities for export is. I think I already answered this question. That's option C, export promotion strategy. Next question is this one. It says if government increases its expenditure on public works, the desired effect is an increase in the level of inflation. Option B, an increase in the level of employment. We have an increase in the use of capital equipment, a reduction in the use of capital equipment. So the right answer is option B, which is an increase in the level of employment. Okay, so when government increases its expenditure on public works, its desired effect is an increase in the level of employment. The next question is this one. It says in many developing countries, infrastructural problem is acute due to the shortage of we have savings, investment, and consumption, industries and industrial equipment, supporting services that encourage economic activities, natural resources for development. So guys, the right answer is option C, which is supporting services that encourage economic activities. Next question is this one. It says one of the goals of development plans in Nigeria is to improve the country's GDP, achieve higher standard of living for citizens, increase the profitability of multinational businesses, deregulate the economy. The right answer is option B, which is to achieve higher standard of living for citizens. Alright, very important. The next question is this one. It says foreign investment can be attracted to Nigeria through a review of interest rates, the revaluation of the naira, a review of the naturalization policy, a review of tax policy. The right answer is option D, a review of tax policy. Okay, very important. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. So guys, before we attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says, question 11. One of the goals of development plans in Nigeria is to regulate the economy. Option B, increase the profitability of multinational businesses, achieve higher standard of living for the citizens, improve the country's GDP. I think I've already answered this question. The right answer is option C, which is to achieve higher standard of living for the citizens. Okay, the next question is this one. It says the implementation of developmental plans in Nigeria is hampered by poor government commitment, shortage of skilled manpower, inadequate technology, shortage of funds. The right answer is option A, which is poor government commitment. Next question is this one. It said import substitution policy is aimed at setting up local industry to produce goods formerly imported, setting up industry for regional development, banning the importation of goods locally produced, concentrating industries for even development. So the right answer is option A, which is setting up local industry to produce goods formerly imported. Next question is this one. It says the following are problems of economic development in Nigeria except we have inadequate capital, corruption and nepotism, inadequate data, political stability. So the exception here is political stability, option D. Next question is this one. It says development plans have not been successful in some developing countries largely because we have option A, very large working population, increasing level of consumption, shortage of skilled labor and experts, scarcity of industrial raw materials. So guys, the right answer to this question is option C, which is shortage of skilled labor and experts. Okay, so that's it for that question. The next question will be this one. It says an increase in government expenditure will lead to we have an increase in total tax revenue, an increase in the level of aggregate demand, reduction in total tax revenue, investment opportunities for foreign investors. The right answer is option B, which is an increase in the level of aggregate demand. Okay, the next question is this one. It says some of the major problems hindering economic development in West Africa are in the area of electricity supply. I think guys, we have already answered this question. Communication, education, and health. These items are known in economics as infrastructure facilities, option A. Okay, next question is this one. It says one of the ways by which the government can speed up economic development is through the option A, increase in consumption pattern of the people, encouragement of savings, investment, and equitable distribution of goods and services, increase in the rates of population growth so as to ensure that the country has a large labor force, encouragement of importation of raw materials to produce consumer goods. The right answer is option B, which is encouragement of savings, investment, and equitable distribution of goods and services. Next question is this one. It says a major reason for having national development plans is to have option A, ensure that more citizens are involved in planning, make government spend more on production, involve people in national programs, ensure efficient use of available resources. The right answer is option D, which is to ensure efficient use of of available resources. The last question before I end this video is this one. It says ways of financing economic development in Nigeria include or except borrowing from friends, aid and grants, debt conversion, internal borrowing. So the right answer is option A. The exception here is borrowing from friends. Okay, so guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving economic development for the subtopic development planning. We practice with 20 repeated questions for this subtopic in economic development. Hope you learned something interesting on the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button, so I'll be getting premium information that help you to excel in your SNE exams like your JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click the next one above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.